Let me show you how we can use circle to search on the Motorola Signature. So if you use 3 buttons for navigation, in order to activate circle to search, you just have to press and hold your finger on the home button for like a second or two. This allows you to open this Google's circle to search overlay. And if you use the gesture navigation instead, at the bottom of the screen, most likely you have the navigation bar. So you want to press and hold your finger on that navigation bar. Now, once you open this overlay, you can, for example, draw a shape around the subject that you want to search for in Google based on the selected area. Or what you can also do is you can simply tap on the thing that you try to search. So you don't really have to draw any shapes around it. You can just simply tap in order to try to get it, to search for it. So for example, I can do something like this. Of course, we can still adjust the area by grabbing by these white corners, just like that. And you can, of course, extend your like a reference area, if I can call it like that. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use circle to search in order to search for a song. So over here we have this music note button, which we can use in order to let the phone listen to the background, and then the phone will try to get the song title that is being played. So if you try to get a song based on what you hear, then you can, for example, use that. You can also sing, hum a song, you know, something like that, and it's gonna work most of the time, and you should be able to get Google search results with the song title and of course the artist as well. There's also the screen translation, so if you use this translate button over here, then you can actually translate what is visible right now. Of course, the language is detected over here, but you can also adjust it if needed, and you can choose the language that should be translated to. So if I choose, for example, Belarusian over here, as you can see, the screen is now translated. And in case the pressing and holding doesn't work for you, if you cannot activate circle to search at all, what you have to do is you need to go to settings, and then we're gonna go to gestures in here. Then let's open a system navigation, and then we have the gesture navigation and 3-button navigation. So in the case of 3-button navigation, of course, it's gonna work pretty much all the time as long as circle to search is activated over here. For gesture navigation, you need to have the navigation bar, and if it's hidden, so for example, if you go to the settings and I don't have the navigation bar, then in this case, circle to search is not going to work. But if I turn on circle to search, then of course, the navigation bar should reappear. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.